Welcome to Dam ARG YouTube. Now, who they bewitch Nigeria leaders? Who they winchy them? This na the question where Comrade Newton Bree come here today, come ask. So make I leave you, make you hear from Comrade Newton. Enjoy the video.
Good everyone. God bless you all. Still on the struggle, the quest for hygiene. It is not an easy thing. So please just share and tag your friends. We have, there is a break-in anyway. There is a break-in, you know, I have told us to always keep us updated about what is happening in the world today. I know a lot of people, they are not very interested in this very app, but I choose to put more effort in this very thing so that I keep every one of us updated. And I told us some time ago that I can give you a preamble. Just go and do your research so that you be a part and parcel of the people that are trying to make the world a better place for everyone. Please, if you are there, just kindly help me do sharing as I do mine right now. Just help me do sharing. As you do that, God bless you in a hurry. Today is on the 26th of January 2021. So there is a breaking. If you watch out the head there, who have bewitched Nigerian leaders. And why is it that there is mass resignation today about the leaders in Europe? Why are they really resigning? Please just invite your friends. The Prime Minister of Italy, I have also said that he will be stepping down. I want to also resign. And I think before the May Day, or what I've told you before, that is going to be hitting the world, before it happens. I've talked about this thing before, that the American election, that it was traced to Italy, that is a satellite company which I'm not going to be mentioning the name for security purpose so that they don't keep my page. That is a precaution we are trying to take right now. I told you that it was traced to Italy at the same time Frankfurt. If you watch these very two countries today, and it was a part of it also connected to Spain, but I don't know the gravity of offense they comment in Spain, whether their leader is all going to be resigning. But most leaders in Europe, all of them, they are stepping down. If you watch it today, Canada is there, nearly all of them. So why is all this thing? This is the reformation of the earth. Maybe after this very point in time, a lot of you we also see to my view that when I do tell you that the gospel we have in Nigeria is a fake gospel, because we always believe what our daddies in the Lord say from their altar. So please, I'll try to do one or two sharing here. Please just share this video. Don't be ashamed to share it, because I do tell us that we are doing this together. And let nobody bamboozle you. We are doing this together. You come here to come and watch, you share my video. You gave me more strength to go for more research. Now, if all what I'll be saying is lie, for example, why is the Italian Prime Minister also resigning? If now, so I just talk this broadcast, which I think I divide them accolade right now. Why? That to say, well, I'm rightly informed. That to say, everything I'm telling you here is true and nothing but the truth. The reason I always come to Mediterranean Sea, so that the sea will bear me witness. The sea itself will bear me witness. So I got no gain in trying to deceive you. I'm not looking for viewers. If by the grace of God I'm looking for viewers, I know the kind of program I will be doing. If you watch it today, there are cheaper programs. The kind of program I do at times, it makes me have sleepless night because I have to do research. How is this one happening? What's the next step to take? And right now, by the grace of God, on Tuesday precisely, Tuesday next week, Italian Prime Minister allegedly is going to be resigning. Then why is this man resigning? What makes him to resign? What makes Angela Merkel to resign? why did nearly the whole leader, all of them resign? Some of them want to do their job for everybody. I came here the other day telling you that King Charles of the Great Britain, they resign. Then when I don't want to believe, what should I want to? I don't thank God that for the grace God has given to me to be a part and parcel of the people that go to witness His resurrection. I'm going to witness His resurrection. The resurrection simply means that putting the old, the bad, evil thing to death, and our new life will now begin. And thank God that I'm a part and parcel of it. About Apostle John C. Suleiman's issue, I'm not going to be talking about his shortcomings. Maybe that is the area where devil seated the tempter. We had that they draw and they go again about woman matter. Apostle John C. Suleiman should be very, very careful the way he insult leaders. Be very, very careful. Me no dey. I don't want to insult Suleiman now. I don't want to insult him. I know where a problem. Then I mad too much. That word where he talk say Donald Trump not be Christian. He mad. Pastor Suleiman no. You are just like ordinary man. Thank God for your life. You hustle, you make him, you perform miracle and all of other. If they say me, you can't really swear. You know all what you know how fake you guys ministry is. Not even only you. You guys know how fake it is. And I'm still telling you to go and mark my word. All the church you are seeing everywhere, the time is going to come, all of them will see resign. And Pastor Suleiman put to be one of the person who want to resign because he has one of the biggest church in Nigeria that is deceiving people today. Okay, look now. You they say Donald Trump not be Christian, and you can't be Christian. Last 2 years, 2018, they drag you, they go, woman matter. Again, a woman matter. I'm not judging you. Maybe you are David of our time. Please don't get it twisted. I don't do such program when people are having problems. I can't say do and not do. I'm not trying to say do and now. Because most of now will be Christian. They know they talk to a man of God. But when a man of God get right to talk to other person, will never do anything. Now, if you watch about what's happening today in the world, who is the key actor that is fighting these people? That's what if ever come to your head. Who is the key actor that is fighting these people? Whose person brought up this idea that the people doing that is causing mayhem in this very continent, this earth? Who is the person who stand and say let's fight them? And why is it that up to today you don't know say the world want change? If they tell you about vaccine, they believe. These people, they want to spoil the world or the population, they believe. So if one see good, you don't believe. That is to say you better die. Now why I know because you became useless. You should be able to know one of the things that is happening. So if you are not believing that the population is possible, you are not believing that the world is about to turn for good. If we are able to conquer the kingdom of darkness, you doesn't work living. In church, you are useless. Or a war working. How can all your life you make money at the end of the day, you don't know what's happening? Now, who can best tell me why is the Italian Prime Minister resigning? Why is he resigning? What caused it? So me way another people say a time is going to come. God wants to separate the sheep from the goats. Even in social media. God wants to separate the sheep from the goats. I'm the one in social media, I'm the one standing alone. Nobody is supporting my cause. But ask yourself today, why is the Italian Prime Minister resigning? Waiting make Angela Merkel cannot be say lose election, why he resign? Even in this same scenario, and more are still coming. I told somebody one time, I say, una coming for England. Every soon never wait last year. They say that now the person come first send me something. I say, oh, Bob, he be like say the way this be, I don't understand. Oh Bob, I be saying that now say my guy not be true at the talk. Now lie they tell you. I'll carry the lie. I may not give you exactly, but I'll give you info. What makes Black Hat to be in Vatican? Up till now, I don't see person who can put time for comment. We want to always get it cheap. Now, the person promoting the good life, what you want come, I said time will come, my brother. Me and you go to enjoy. If you have been suffering, be happy. The world is about to turn for good. Now, how you go there, Jan? You not fit train children for school, for university. Go confirm her down. Maybe your child is about 5 years old. Confirm her in 20 years time. May you know how much you want to finish school. You not go fit. That one alive. Now people now inflate all those things. I told you last week here that all this suffering you are seeing here is human inflated suffering. God never created us to live the life we are living. Okay, now let's come to, please, if you are watching, make sure you share, please. The only help you give to me right now is to share so that these words go around. And thank God, God is vindicating me step by step. I may not have a very big cathedral, but I know where God is using me mightily in this very struggle. When we were campaigning of Obaseki, I put in my soul, my spirit, and my body. So about this a change, a divine change in life, I have to also put myself. Okay, now, have you ever one day begin to imagine what makes Nigerian leaders to be wicked? From the local level to the federal level, what makes them to be wicked? Why are they like that? Have you ever seen our government fix up one particular thing that they are called to do? Even common road that they don't even need too much, just borrow money and do it. All they do, they borrow, they share the money. Okay, in what way systematically has our leader have been able to prove the effectiveness of a good government? And who bewitched our leaders? Who caused this one for their body? Okay, look at the recent this now, Bini Orero. They are beheading people, kidnapping people. What's our government doing about it? These are some Igboho that they burnt his house in Ibadan already. Now, who did those things? Why some people they love oppression? Why are they not launching for a better life? You not see now. Go and do your research. You are quickly saying that, but check out that this thing. Let me just forget about the Ateneo the end December. Una not the truth, the real news. You guys are not reading news, so let me forget about maybe now because you never see no reach. I'm not yet not being one first and come on for office, but now waiting then put another first then come on. So let me forget about that your comment. Now, what is really the problem? In what area has our leader one day showed that yes, I have been called to come and put this country in order? And why has our leaders, our governors, our emirs, our obas, our whatever, all that is close eye and watch all these things happening? That one ethnic group is over dominating the other ones, killing them, using firearm without license and all of other. Now, who have given the Fulani herdsmen authority to be killing people? And this is what you and I should be having at the back of our mind. How we go to stop this nonsense? No, a lot of us right now, we are always using political correctness. Imagine I'm talking right now. Because say the person now, you see and say never resign, but go and read the news. Go and read the news. The news is everywhere. He never come on and say, but this is what he have said. And I'm not getting it clear. You guys always want to come and interact what people have said. Don't do what I say, but do what I do. Or don't do what I do what I say. Now, you want to start arguing because you are still seeing it or somebody. You can be in where you are, your own house. You don't know what's happening. Research is what you made up your mind to do. That's what today we have not been able to find out why is Fulani herdsmen killing our people. What is the agenda behind it? Is it this depopulation agenda? Or why will a president, the ethnic group of a president of a country, unleash on the other ethnic group? Have you ever one day begin to imagine yourself? Or take it and say now, I don't know what this thing won't be. Like what this person said that her tenure end, and maybe it's Angela Michael you are talking about, December don't reach. Or you are trying to say we are tenure end last December. But go and check your news. Watch your television if you are in Germany. So I'm not here for you to come argue with me, but I'm trying to tell you that go and do your research. If I may mention of anything, go and do your research. You do your research, you do your findings. Okay, you are not believing about the population agenda. You are not believing that things are about to turn for better. Now, what are you believing on? You think that this is the actual life God wants you to live? No, it's never your actual life God wants you to live. Even though you want to even compare it biblically, go and set your scripture. We are supposed to be better than this. Then who put us today in this precarious position? And why is our leader folding their hands to see some part of people being killed? Look at what's happening in Benin or today. I think the Sasa governor is supposed to be in a meeting right now. What must we now do about this Fulani herdsmen killing? There was a news I saw that some group of people, whether I don't even know the kind of minister he is, that you were trying to lobby the Fulani herdsmen for them to stop killing. Then let us sit back and begin to think, why is this thing like this? Why is our leader folding their hand, and what is their plans? We should begin to ask of our governors. They cannot protect life, they cannot protect properties. Let even assume we know these people. A lot of our chieftains in all states, they have cow. Now, why not let forget even forbid this meat? We doesn't have cooperation. A very prominent man in Germany told me that ever since I think 2018 or thereabout, that he stopped his family. They don't eat cow any longer. And I first of all said this in that time. If you want us stop it to eat meat, to portray these people effort that what you are doing, we don't like it. But your papa never that the first thing you do to show you love your dad is cow. The only thing people go for immediately to show that they are responsible and not knowing why even when their father and mother was alive, they never cared for their father. The first thing they do is to go and buy the biggest cow and tie it in front of their house. Is that not stupidity? Okay, now you think it's funny that your people are being killed in the detriment for you to bury your father? Okay, now instead of you to rebel for your loved ones, as in speak for them in the best way you can. Now let's stop this thing. This is what this guy do now. Go to your kill, you know, kick out. One person should start it. Other people will emulate. These people, they're too oversee us finish. They should be sanctioned by one way or the other. We've heard several times that even a lot of our chieftains in Edo have cow. And that's what, how many chieftains in Edo have you ever one day see who come out and condemn the killing of our brothers and sisters? They doesn't bloody care. After all, they're not the kill their children. Now, who is speaking for the masses here? Who do you think is the real man of God here in all these things we are saying? That's why I named one at the council the other day. I'm the only man of God we have in Nigeria, and this guy, this very guy Sunday Igboho also. Who is a man of God? A man of God is the person who agitates for a better society. We are going to change the narrative after this very point in time. Not only you came out and start giving fake prophecy, you can condemn other persons, but nobody can condemn you. Your pastor said the world leader is not a Christian, but he's a Christian. You are a Christian, you always chat for one thing or the other. You should know that the way they are painting that very man you are saying is not a Christian, because the way CNN is talking about him. What about this your matter now come out to CNN and the one you did before, or where they say allegedly the one you said you did before? You found out that I mean on phone Suleiman. We might the way we condemn people. If people have a problem, I'm not here to come. If you even want me fighting for you after verification, I will fight for you. I will not come and start saying you be Ashawo, you not concern me, now your life. If you like, you carry, you not carry only my comment. The main thing I'm talking about is that how we are going to have a better society. We are very judgmental when it comes to other people, but we are not judgmental when it comes to us. What is our leader really doing? Like a religious leader, what are they doing? Don't put it there. If you know what thing they have done, or they have strategized by one way or the other, that maybe their effort will aborted, you tell me. When? Okay, what makes every one of us right now to know Sunday Igboho? This Yoruba guy. Because he's still to stand for his people. But his name is everywhere. If you do something, people go see him. But could you know, at this very point in time, after whatever thing I've told you, people have really come to pass. You have listened to a real boy in a time. My name will also be increased. Because it's not an easy thing for you to believe. You will start to support something when the things don't fail. They try to encourage people, make them not get depression. I know how many people I have talked to. I know how many people listen to my video, but today they have the mind that better tomorrow is going to come. Okay, now who is going to help us fix Nigeria? May God bless Nnamdi Kanu and his people, you know. If not for them right now, who came out and even brought Eastern Security Network in some part of Nigeria right now, Fulani herdsmen can no longer go to those areas. Now, what did you have in your hand? What have you been doing? That's the question we should ask us. That's why I don't believe in reading sentiment. I don't believe in ethnicity. I don't believe in bullying people. What you cannot do, if you see people doing it and you are not praising their effort, all you do is condemnation, God will punish you. That is just it. What people have to go and let it done, our men of God have not done it. Since they have been praying for you, ask yourself, why are you still having a marital problem? Why is it that they see enemy in your father's house up to today? All those enemies, they are born to be there. All those enemies, they are born to be there. Could you know normally this very COVID-19 you are seeing normal? Everybody, we have this natural COVID-19 side of us. Flu do come at times. They can't go find one of your man. Say after your nose go block. They can't go change their escalator. Say now don't have the sickness where they now. Everybody, we all have exams in our body. Until you don't die, you don't know say one day your body. Okay now, make somebody die now. Make somebody die now. Lock and not let fly even enter there. You must see one for your body. Where the one for day? After you die, there are a lot of things that will activate. The one that was supposed to be alive before go die, then another one go come up. So now so life be. When light come, darkness go. Even a lot of people, animal now go die. Now, how come that inside your fridge you go lock am? You go lock inside your fridge, off light for about some days. You can't go meet one for inside your food. Wait till put on the fly enter. So something where don't die finish that was supposed to be defreezed. One that the cold come out, something else must happen. Another reaction must happen. So now so like be. So every one of us should open our understanding. I told us before that the era we are right now is made for people that think. A lot of people want to see be like that in the book of John chapter 20. You want to see the hand where the nails be put in Jesus' hand. No. We are telling you, go to news, go and do your research. At times to get one brief sentence. These days is internet. You have to tour all around. Look at Peter. He could tour throughout the night. He caught no fish. Peter toured throughout the night. He caught no fish. Where Peter was before. Now, so they just cry for Peter. Peter, where are you going? He said, we have toured the night, Master. We caught no fish. He just can't say, where are you going? Cast up your name. He said, Master, because you will not be shekri, Master. I've been in this very fish business and try to explain to my own way. I've been in this business for long. Now I take train my house where they go. Now I take build down. All to a what to do now. No, you know the Master. But he later obey, say, according to your word. That's the obedience is better than sacrifice. How many of you will obey now and leave and start doing your research? Somebody is writing now, so you want to retire for this thing. But the one where they talk so not be. Because instead of you people to this guy, there is a fact in what he's saying. Go and do your findings. Go and do your findings. Why is there that there's too much resignation right now all over the world? Why is it like that? Now they'll be telling us that we don't have a president. Buhari don't die for long. We not believe. Even when Buhari go come out, do a photoshopping. Have you ever seen any president where go record something down? All of them they enter live, just come so don't address us in power reach. Some people they write money. They'll come write the money. Okay, those states $4 billion budget, Kogi. But addressing your people, you are not supposed to be reading. Why is it that your president always read? Your president always read. Must it be everything you read? Now up till now we are not still convinced. A lot of people are still saying Baba Buhari did there. Now who is controlling the affair of Nigeria? Nigeria is being ruled from a different country. It's being ruled from a different country. Until we get it, a discovered enemy is a defeated enemy. The reason why we have not been able to defeat our enemy because we have not been able to discover it. We don't even know our problem. Okay, the problem you doesn't know how you started, how you going to end it. But the people that have been shouting, Fulani herdsmen. Do you know since we have been talking about Fulani herdsmen since 2017. We have been in this struggle of hygiene. But since then, you have been commenting rubbish. But how many things have you done? Protect, you will not protect to protect your people. So you just come to this live, all you just do, watch SAG, share video for SAG, whether, look at what's happening today. Okay, now only you say now, when we have a pressing needs, you will see all of them. 20 million will be watching. What do you want to hear? You want to hear that a mass left with, and so what? That's not the main business. I don't share short video with people, and I don't talk about it now in life. Now, how many of you talk about the insecurity in our state? There was a video in one of the platforms I belong. As I just said, now so I take the data. Then they cut woman head. The person they speak broken. They had to say that one in Nigeria, not be Kenya. That one in Nigeria. The woman fell. Then they cut his neck. I couldn't watch it. I just click on that's why I wipe the whole thing come off for my phone. I don't want to keep such things. Now, why is all this thing happening? What is the offense of this woman? What have we done against the Fulani herdsmen? And why is our leaders, our governors, not really having us in mind to protect us? Whatever thing it will take. If you want them buying ammunition from China, let them go and import ammunition. But we are already in war. A lot of you don't know. We are already in war. A lot of people don't know. All they talk about, I can take care of myself, I can take care of my children. You don't know when it's going to get to your house. The people that campaign to put Buhari there, today, they are supporting a different candidate already because that's what they are called to do. My own, I'm not called to do that. If I see a governor, I find out that the way you people are emulating this very governor, I stand for him, does not make me a politician. Let that governor start misbehaving. When I was discussing with somebody today, he said, you one day, Suleiman is your friend. I said, yes, he's my friend. He said, because there was a time that AAC said, when he said he want to sign the weather shorty for Sowore, when they were about bailing Sowore, a lot of AAC members came out and said no. I struck them for it. I stand with Suleiman. Because that one was a political issue, has something to do with our society. But the one when they carry the ghost, a lot of people were expecting, I'll come the lake us on Sowore, on Suleiman. I don't get time for that one. Waiting Jesus condemned, I mean they condemn. In the book of John chapter 8, you read that from verse 3. That very woman that was caught in the very act, the Catan, it was an adulterous woman. It was brought before Jesus. They say, what said thou, master? This woman was caught in the very act of adultery, and according to the law of Moses, he should be stoned to death. Then Jesus Christ was now writing down. After he wrote, he said, any of you that have not committed sin, for any of you that have not do what Suleiman they do right now, be sharing the video. Me, I'm not interested. If you are interested, you can fight the battle. You do it because I have a pressing need right now. I have nothing to talk about. I won't want something to, because I don't want to bully anybody. Who knows tomorrow? Allegation can be forged on your head. But one thing I bless Suleiman for, Suleiman will know or CF. Now God want to reward now this period. May tell no say, man, I'm about using somebody to feast the earth. Somebody is doing what you cannot do. What right has you to criticize when they burn you? When they burn you, they don't feel because they are pastor, they see everything, and they don't see anything. They depend on people also see for them. These are where they are having problem. I may be prophesying for Suleiman right now, but none of you will share the video among him where tell him that Archbishop Newton, the Archbishop of activism, said Suleiman, none of you will send the message because they look me small. If you're underestimating me, I also underestimate your pastor. Do we're going to pray. Let him pray and let me lose one of my eye. Let's see how it works. But I can face the sea. If really this thing you are doing is true. And don't say right now, I saw him, you when not say now go I was called to pray for Captain at the early stage. When I not say I said I'm if I pray for him. I opened up my live video, I prayed for him. I read the book of Isaiah chapter 38. When Ezekiah was sick, God sent Isaiah to him. Prophet Isaiah, he said, go and meet Ezekiah. Tell him this sickness is going to lead to death. But in the course of my praying for him, I used a word. Now I say, now, what Ezekiah did was to say, God, check my record when he sent Isaiah to him. So can I put your heart in order? This sickness is going to lead to death. But Ezekiah turned his back on the wall and prayed, God, check my record. I told Captain Osa then, I will pack Captain Osa, please tell God to check your record. Now, what you have done for the people is enough for God to spare your life. It will spare your life. That's what I said. Now, if he apply it, I'll get it where, according to the word of that boy, God, look at how I give it the water. God, look at how the oil I was supposed to put in my pocket, how I distributed it. God, look at how I rescue people from Libya. Any osalo boy. Not be say you carry musician come from Abuja. In other way, Sagile Mayo, you give them. No! It's good to be good. If anything is happening tomorrow, I will say, God, check my activism. Did you have anything to say where God want check? That's the only thing that will liberate you, but people don't know. Then I also read from the book of 1 Timothy chapter 5, verse 17. He said, let the elder that rule well be counted worthy of double honor, especially those that labor in word and in doctrine. It's scriptural. Then I don't finish. Now leave on. It's not left for him right now to challenge God by saying, God, I will not die, but I will live to finish what I've started. Now, did he have work he have started? The reason why me will not die right now, because God knows that I still have more activism to do. My activism is not based on you want to give me money. I talked about anything that affects us in our society, socially, politically, and otherwise. That is what I do. That is to say there is a reason why I signed covenant with God. So if you are the type who carry evil rumor, Who carry, if you just see anything they happen. Okay, now, are we supposed to even be talking about SARS right now? Or talk about the well-being of the Edo State? Or talk about how the governor, we will send message to the governor to empower the security network we have today in Edo State. But nobody is interested. We want to hear what did they say this woman do with this very man. That's what we want to hear. And that's why today, being that you have programmed your ear to always hear contaminated word, there never a time anybody will tell you better thing where you go believe. Because your heart have been over-programmed for waiting not being. But for me, my heart is programmed for a good governance. And to talk about governance that is not doing well. So if you had anything from me, go and do your findings. If I thought things happen to change, person don't get 8/10. 8/10 I pass mark. So far I not going to get 0/10. Do you know people that say Joe Biden, they are getting 0/10? It's going to be 0/10. Because the executive order that you are seeing today, imagine how many days you have signed 25 executive order. What lady now are working? What sign is signing now? Okay, how many is effective visa? You Nigerian, why American? Go to embassy and start taking visa. They are, you know. There's one thing you signing executive order. Another thing you've been able to enforce it because is the general body really with you? We don't want to wait. The disciples of Jesus Christ, they waited somewhere because of what Jesus Christ told them. The person in question that which we are supporting, who happens to be our fathers today, is Donald Trump is a father or forefather. Remove politics, whether you like it or not. God must use somebody. Moses was like a human being. He came in form of a human to liberate his people. Even Jesus was in the midst. When he was in the boat in the book of Mark, people never knew he has power like that. They said, up to the wings and the sea, they obeyed him. If they have not before, therefore not talking. They use that word as a gossip against him. Now, so this man get power. So if he still do this one, because there are a lot of things they never know about him. That's why today, for those of you watching me running intimidation, there are a lot about me where you never know. There are a lot. If you see, say you don't know me, finish. Because some people bring out my picture, use and do there are a lot of things where you never know about me. And you that is watching right now, there is also a lot of things I don't know about you. If you don't hear a person, you don't know how the person be. So me that is closer in the spirit, I study the word of God, I try to put it in place. Now, the problem we are going through in this world, who is going to solve it? Do you think God is going to fold his hands to see what he have labored for? How Satan will just come, turn the world upside down by killing people? This have already provoked God. Only Pastor Chris up to today. Then all the rest of them, they are play politics, acting miracles. Now the woman they said this man have an affair with, only the big demon. He was even praying in the name of Apostle John Suleiman. That was a now so most of us fool yourself. You can't go put the chaplet put for them. Go carry your kagbe, go carry your head of your family. Where you know waiting day. All those he go cook handkerchief give you. My son sleep with this. But Suleiman small pikin. Where none way that they eat, they sleep. When I just through busy and God they use them. Woman was praying his name. The same woman allegedly they said that he get this thing with today. So now the power we have cannot keep full and enhancement. The power we have cannot free anybody when they are in dungeon. The power we have cannot free anybody when they are in Golgotha. Now they are not giving up themselves as a living sacrifice for us to live. Therefore, here now saying Suleiman left squad just the way Sunday Ogbo are doing right now. They don't lead any squad. They talk from there from the altar. Instead of them to encourage war leaders, they not they encourage. Now, how many war leaders have you seen that can help us? Because God must definitely use somebody. Who do you think God is going to use? Do you think God is going to use any of your governor? No, they will not use them. Because those ones, they are under oath. They are under oath. And that oath to them is fundamental. You have to do according. Look at right now, all the SASAP governor, nobody is rising up, protecting his people. Look at what happened in Olu yesterday. They killed a lot of people. How army go carry a armored car, enter street to go fight who? To go and fight who? Who are you looking for? They are being suggested you guys don't care. But instead of you right now to cooperate with your so-called brother, you are doing ethnicity. Hope you now can't want to talk this one. My dear, Moses was not the senior person in the land of Egypt where they were captivity, in the land of Israel when they were captivity in Egypt. No, God used him. Because naturally Moses will have a passion to rescue. He hates oppression. He first of all displayed it to God by killing 2 Egyptians and hid them under the sand when they found out they were oppressing the Israelites, when they were walking. But when he found out that this is not already known, Moses flew from the face of the Pharaoh. He went to the bush, just the way now they can't run from Nigeria. He's walking from afar. But you cannot tell me you are a Christian, they pay me, and you don't read your Bible, you don't study. How was people be able to liberate their people? He who fight and run away to fight another day. A lot of people just say, "May come Nigeria can't do what?" Okay, what I'm saying today is not effective. Do you know what narration can cause? Do you know how many people we have condemned their life in this you are seeing today? Do you know what will make me to come here? Do you think I'm coming here to come and play? I petition a lot of people here. And don't ever be happy when I mention your name here because you are going to get it all. Now here there for the summer case. Judge the same way High Court of Abuja have been a Supreme Court. I've given final judgment against Obaseki. For Obaseki that this case have been dismissed. You not carry and go anywhere again. It's not going to stand. So if your case is being reported, your own is finished. Like now, people that said they campaign, they do this one. What concern my own family? Concern my friend? Humiliating my own friend with your campaign. I've said every time with that number. This guy did not win Yamu. It was because of the people that campaigned for him. Because they cross boundary. There are things you don't do. If you are campaigning, set your candidate. It's not enough for you to start insulting my family, insult my father, indirectly start investigating what you don't know about because you are campaigning. That one have nothing to do with campaign. These are where people have problems. And me that will always come here to come and say, God, if this is really like this, who do you think God is going to answer? And if you speak, if your word is true, God will carry it forward. What concerns you insulting my own friend? You come put music in my name, they call me Mumu. Mama Taraba Peter was there, and you want to go scot-free. Somebody called me saying, Newton, your kind of broadcast is too powerful. Please, pity these people. Now make me forgive you now. I would have still been coming if I give to you this humiliation you gave to this poor woman. Imagine why it because I never insulted anybody around you. What they do, they'll go and hunt your pictures, hunt your wife's picture, hunt your children's picture. What are those things for? Is that one part of campaign? Do you think you will repeat tomorrow? Any person, if you see you have brain, you go to school, go and do your research, come and do it on media. It's not easy to engage people for 1 hour. Speaking the same thing, and at the end of the day, what you said yesterday, they are seeing the manifestation today. It's not, if you think it's easy, you do one. That's just the fact. So people do cheap programs. As you don't see comrade that can come back with women, have you ever one day see do talk about woman? Am I stupid? You want to be now? At least everybody should be able to kind of segregate himself from certain things. This issue of Suleiman is even too small for me to talk about. We have a more pressing needs. Why am I going to be condemning for? I condemn them because they are fake miracle and their quietness towards our society. Now don't be problem with me and I get. If you drive your wife tomorrow, you don't concern me. Let you drive your wife now. You know now, maybe tired. I don't know. You don't concern me. I know they do that kind of proco. So Suleiman go sleep with person. Why? What do I me not tell now? Say all this Christianity na fake. I told you people before. Now not believe on them. They sow seed. Huh? They sow seed. Their prayer is not killing full and investment. The more they are praying, now you cannot keep on doing one thing and expect a different result. You have to change your modality of doing things at times. You have been praying is not working. There's no action in it. There should be action in some kind of things you are doing. We have been praying. We are praying right now. We are praying for 7 days. It's time for us to go out there and show the manifestation of what God can do. That's why God displays miraculous work in the life of the children of Israel in the book of Exodus by using Moses to rescue them from the dungeon or the captivity of Pharaoh. There are still a lot of Pharaoh today. We are under Pharaoh, we are under captivity, suffering and smiling. Even where you are, you have not been able to ascertain to anything. If you don't work for 2 months, you are in problem. Our brothers and sisters at home, their life is not safe. But all you talked about to go and watch one program. You are gossiping somebody that his life has nothing to do with your society. Not be life say maybe they will a person for Benin or a road, for Lagos or a. Then hundreds of thousands of people will be watching. They'll be sharing the video. Now, if your brother fall, for example, what's going to be do you know what's going to become of you tomorrow? You don't know. That's why I don't share you. I don't talk about it. I was the only person who preached about forgiveness. When you guys name your so-called a prophet, he's not a prophet. Thank God for his life. He's changing gradually. I pray that God empower him if really do it from his mind. But it was one fair call this. But today, transformation can come. That is like only one thing that constant in life is change. The change the way you live, the change the way you talk. But we cannot keep on like this. We have a pressing need. He never kill your back, kill your man does not mean it's not existing. Learn to fight for that people. That was the gospel of Jesus. A lot of preaching that give Jesus Christ problem. Imagine he hit somebody on Sabbath day. He will query for it. Why will you hit somebody on Sabbath day? He was queried and accused for it. He was crucified for because of you and I. He never committed anything. What was his crime? But he paid for it. He paid the ultimate price for us. Eh? But we are here sitting down. Nobody want to do anything. You cannot do anything with your comment. You cannot do anything with sharing video. How is the world going to be fixed? Now, allegedly, sit back, think, who is to help us from this mess? If all these people, the fake inauguration they did, that is not inauguration, it's installation. The fake installation they did in America, for example, who is to fight this man for? We are happy that he came. And he's just coming. Look at one of the first appointment he appointed. Then that person right now is trying to tell us that, look at the new life that is coming. But was it like this before? No. But we believe in politics. It's not all about politics. Whatever thing you are sowing right now, you are going to reap it. It's in Galatians 6 verse 7. Don't be deceived, our God is no more. Whatsoever a man sow, that he shall reap. So if you sow bad thing into our society, you will reap it tomorrow. There are people right now, after them, their children will still flourish. Why there are people right now, after them, upon their million, nobody will ever celebrate their children. Some of the grace of my father and my mother make me to be popular today because I grew up with my father and my mother, fight for the communities. A lot of people know. My father was not a doom. If he appear for a kid do like this, people will know the touch through the run. Every month when I take one time, now he go quarrel, all these lawless people, I be here call here now. Then I'll come sit down, maybe want to talk with some of your friends. He go say, look at what happened today. Look at the issue on ground. Why would people be burning this thing? But now some of you may still the burn and so it's always in our society. But if you want your children to live flourishingly even after you have to create a name down. Put grace down for your children. Learn how to do good. Take care of other people's children so that somebody one day take care of your own. Imagine somebody you have children, you will deliberately go show person where they do muye, where they want other person's children. Then you want to make your own better. It not feel better for you. So no matter even though na Suleiman or na Suleimani or Pastor Chris, they cannot solve the problem. They can't solve it. So we should get this thing clear. That life is no longer the way we think it is. That you can just do anything. You cannot go scot-free. You may do me anything right now. I cannot ask you, my dear. Somebody that is bigger than me will ask you in the night. Somebody coming today by the revelation he saw. Do you know the revelation? Newton, they say now you they disturb them. Now I say now the prayer where you go to pray, now they curse. I don't pray secret prayer. If I want to lay curse and pray people body that, I face the Mediterranean Sea. If what they are doing is really good to my people. During Lekki massacre, I came here in the night. I was crying. That cry was not fake. How many of you one day have ever one day so badly reflected? That was why Jesus Christ wept. Do you know what is weeping? Deep cry from inside. You will be confused and tired. We don't bother ourselves, but all we know is about ourselves. At times you leave your problem, solve other people's own. God will send a helper for you that will solve your problem. Most of the problem that occupy me at times is not even my problem. The first detention I go for, that was 1994, thereabout. The first detention I went was the fact of my friend. It's not even a Benin person. It was a fact. One another that killed my friend. But the case later turned around. The man who they formed boss, saying him na boss. He said my friend go rape his daughter for school. And it was an agreement between both of them. You go friend me, I'll friend you. Because the senior boy that time, he didn't join 2 fingers in the hair. I was just coming back from school. Then I was attending the Gosa Grammar School. The boy just ran us up. You know, he ran us up. One small for my area, which is my junior then. He just radioed them for my area. Said, man, they track this for so and so place. Before he back one way, they my area, they come, you know, everywhere don't scatter. The man took us to the station. Hope he say now the Tefete go station, as soon as they wicked. Do you know this man was charged for a different offense entirely? We were vindicated. The man knelt down in my front and said, my son, I'm sorry. I don't know, say now so it happen. So let us not be too quick in taking some actions. View it from a two perspective. So all this struggle you see me today, if I happen to be doing anything for you, my dear, it's inherent in me and the same thing. I'll make it to be my lifetime. trying to see what I can do for people around me. This will not be joke. I will not face river and be lying. I don't lie. Instead of me to court, Jonah, I go court come out. So that everything I'm going to pronounce me for what. That's why you see me at times. If I'm doing anything, if I first do this thing to you, it shall be well with you. But if I never do one, my dear, that's why you heard that this man will confess that day. Now, under normal condition, what will cause somebody stroke in campaign if you don't go do muye? Like when I know they do muye, everything I'm doing is free. I'll never one day be sick. He told me to be sick, I'll be stretched out. You just hear from my face, say me, this boy never to sleep like that, you know. But in all the engagement in campaign, the only time say, okay, now I don't take for phone since he told me to come get headache. I not go hospital. But somebody will testify that day, now so stroke, who this one, now so this one fall down. Now who is throwing those bullets? Because now you can have what you say. If you throw, give person still throw meet you. That's why any person where you throw, give me my dear, all return way. Because my man throw give way. My TV is based on fact. If you say because I talk to your leader, you want you see you now. Nobody feel use my own destiny to send another person on. It's impossible. Why? Because it is not even in my mind. All I fight for is a better society. How can you say you want to harm a man who is fighting for a better society from his heart? E.g. Nnamdi Kanu, who is fighting for a better society from his heart. Consecutively, for many years, I've been saying it. What this man has been saying since precisely 2015, now they come to pass. So he said they are going to start killing you in your house. He told most Igbo people, but today are they not going to their house to kill them? But when he first of all said it, none of them believe. This was the same thing Jesus Christ told the disciples. They not believe. He told them greater tribulation you are going to go through. That's all the apostles of Jesus, all of them died mysterious death. You know how Peter said that they turned Peter upside down, cross him, tear him into two. I was saying the other day, somebody said a conspiracy. Go and read your Bible. If you believe in what Suleiman is saying, go and read on how Odio apostle died. So Suleiman may just be going to this thing one day, because if you serve God, my dear, be ready, particularly when you are eating offering from it. When people are really expecting you get part, they'll be ready to face the charges on the leg. It's not easy. So the activism I'm facing right now, the heat that they get and the beer, you cannot see me here start complaining. I will not complain to you. It's rosy. You see me look beautiful every day by day, but if I'm going through anything, then God will always see me through, because I'm better thing how they talk. I know they say waiting, I don't know. Our government is bad. They are witch. They are witch. They are bad. They are bad. They have not been able to protect life and property. If you like, carry me and this boy want to expose us. So carry me go muye. Your first son and somebody must appear before that mirror. If person appear, you must stab. You stab your first son. You stab your destiny. Look at a lot of governors that rule Nigeria. How many is working in UN today? How many of them? That's for you to know that they are all fake politicians. How many of them is working in UN international community today? All they do, they go where, put it for themselves. Go and look at. Then they hear for Shomole again. They want to hear for Shomole again now. It don't go hard. Right now, they are still trying to see how they are going to push away Obaseki. You are pushing away Obaseki. Wait till you do remain where you want to do. Wait till you do remain where you want to do. Then we always clap for them. Clapping for your own detriment. You celebrate all those old cargoes. How many score years did you think they have? You and I, by the grace of God, to their age they are spent. If they are to spend more 20 years by the grace of God, me I not pray many of them die. They will reap what they have sowed. We tell come out that they let people so and so person. You know what that mean their life. What has it done for the youth? Our me work by now. Tell your partner, your man, we get name. But at least while we rebel against this Scottish killing. Emma. Nobody they speak against, all of them go fold hand. Then we'll go to worship them. Worship who? Your leader that cannot protect you, they cannot bring out any law, no traditional law in Nigeria. There's no one executive order. We are happy right now, Joe Biden giving executive order. How many executive orders has your state governor given? That today this executive order is restricting people. What they are doing right now in Nigeria is COVID-19 pandemic. That's what they concentrate on it. Because money pass and come. Now, the main purpose why you were elected, they forget about that one. Up to today, you cannot go to Lagos with Iyare moto. Say na Iyare na you want, why Iyare re? Only mini Iyare moto. The people will go after fasting and praying. They still lost their life. The people that are dying now, that they are killing and kidnapping now. Do you know what their pastor told them in the Passover night? I'll be the night vigil or where they take crossover to 2021. This year, nothing shall befall you, but at the end of the day, because of the bad society, our society is so bad that we cannot live a score years. And how we go to fix this as society? Who is to help us? Anytime we see somebody who have the mind to help us, we'll come to discriminate whether not Christian and whether not be Christian. So the man said, Donald Trump is not a Christian, he's only a Christian. Now you be Christian. Now so woman they concern you, they concern. Now you be Christian. Later now, all the apostles, some fake apostles where God will punish. They're going to say, that's how some people they go through temptation. I know. They go through temptation, which is good. They should also convert this very preaching to heal us. Our society is sick. We need gather your members, form a call. Let's go there. What did they happen? What was this number chapter 31 verse 49? Why was he written down? Moses told them, go and check around. They come back and tell Moses that the people, the soldiers under your command, none is missing. They just came back from war. What God will do, if the tummy becoming too much, you are praying, you are doing this. God, please, deliver this full and many minutes into your hand, into our hand. If Christian by now, they are having their vigilante, Nigerian Christian vigilante. Mostly they use the ammunition, but we know they use that they reduce us, they go. No full and enhancement, they station up to today. These people that doesn't last in their AK-47. Let's sanction these people. Let's stop eating cow. Whether one will call solution to it, you will talk on the next day before their papa, their man, even let people forget papa. Before marriage, na cow they'll go back. Anything na cow they'll go back. These days, if you want to do any celebration, now the matter of cow where you buy, now people will respect you. They'll go keep the picture. See cow where I buy for mama, my papa burial. See cow where I buy for my marriage. It has now become a custom. Now, who is going to rebel for us? I told us, if Benin people, some of them know what they do. We are not so. UK is not supposed to even be our friend, because they are the one that come and steal away from us. But today we are happy being there. I'm a UK. I got their passport. I'm a UK citizen. We are happy. Then who is now going to rebel for what they did to your father? But we are accusing a young man, say, now betrayal of Bavoram. And we don't read the history. Huh? You see where the problem lies. I can choose to say I'm not. There are people today go say that country no one go. You say because of what they did to our forefathers. We not get enemy. Oh, now me one can't do enemy for. Today the same UK that a lot of activists have talked about that they are the major problem of Nigeria. Now there we where they go. If they look for visa, we don't go fit Davao going on that place. We are promoting the economy. Our artifact, then they use and get money there. They use and get money. I will tell you the other day why King Charles. Somebody were even arguing that he's not a king, he's a prince. Now after Mama died, you know what that Mama see their life? You know now everything you receive for telling. You know what that Mama see their life? You didn't know everything shame go let them talk come on. Do you know what happened in your UK there? You don't know because you don't want to know. I don't want to curse you. It was somebody who helped me out and say, good or bad, he's a king. Whether you like it or not, he's a king. Whether man don't come in, man never come out. We like arguing everything. We like to think from the surface. Go inside and search out what is happening. The word that's going to heal the land is hidden somewhere. You know that your child, that your pastor, they jump up and down like a sakuke. Receive it. Yet, no good society. Yet, I think a 22 years old lady born. He said the new baby born baby for pastor. I've told us before. The atrocity where pastor don't commit. Native daughter, native daughter, all the people you break leg now, you get problem, you pluck one leaf, put on journal, my son use and bar, which are herbs. Atrocity where pastors don't commit, native daughter not they commit because they are think they forbid something, native daughter will really know something. At time when they grow up that year, get some kind of way go do, you know if you pass on that rope. They forbid something, but pastor not they forbid anything. Imagine now our oga is accused of sleeping with another man's wife. Okay, let's even assume the man is mad. The man want your mad now you want him, man. You should know that you have this spirit of abstracting allegation. Uya akpo bobo, uya kwa mila. Uya zese negbo, enuge mi emoge. Because emoge oyiwa wenya. Ogba mo na taba. Before you go know one day this emoge go kill you. Must it be you now? Why do not they accuse Adeboye? Because Suleiman is very in why you knock. That's why the demons they are always using this one to tempt him. This is what people does not get. Kumoyi cannot get sex scandal. Adeboye cannot get sex scandal. Oyedigbo cannot get sex scandal. But Suleiman is still youth, whether I like it or not. His body is still responding to stimuli. That is why they say meat wey person not they eat. They not they use it to the share. All this is coming before you because of what you still have the tension still there in you. You the one suppress yourself. But there are people that be brand figuratively. You don't even think about that. You never they see any of those whatever. Second allegation and a second Johnny Kimongopa. I not say you do more, but where else they say you won't way. Your head to the attract allegation is not good. So now so I go talk down one. Please, let's try possible best. We have till they don't overplay players. Christianity become too gimmick. Politics become too gimmick. Nobody ready to tell us the real truth. Okay, look at all medias. All medias. Nobody is even reflecting at all about what's about to hit the world. Nobody is talking about, nobody's even interpreting what Bigate have said. What is generation? Nobody will even say it in his platform, say, look at what the Bigate have said. To what I'm sensing in my mind, look how it's going to end. Even when they came out that there was about 4 minutes video, the Congo later court command that Africa, they are going to remove about 3 billion. Somebody will even write to say, how many billion they Africa? How people can be used. I was in the platform that I did not just mind the person. He was trying to argue right now, say, Africa population not reach 3 billion. He doesn't, he said that 3 billion, they want to reduce in total number. They concentrate on Africa. They say we are not productive. There's somebody who will not figure it and say, after all, you want counter and say, now last demand they talk for measuring 3 million. And if you are sensible, you know, you should be able to know, he mentioned 3 billion. We are concentrating on Africa. They may get 2.5 billion from Africa, get the other 500 whatever from other places. Then why are we not sensible? You see naughty professors. Now, check Wole Soyinka. Only what Wole Soyinka invented in his life was to invent courtesan. He with 6 other people. Now, what legacy Wole Soyinka is leaving behind? He created down a platform that our people can be killing themselves. Instead of it to come back and redress the issue again, readdress the issue and say, no, this is not the main purpose this is making for. Wole Soyinka is happy that you create an entity that used to clean themselves. Wole Soyinka have not invented anything. He just became old man for nothing, but he's a professor. What one thing have you done? The book will even write. I mean, for read and succeed. If entitlement is supposed to be given to Wole Soyinka before he died, it should be given to Nnamdi Kanu. The people that want to give us freedom is what I support. If one animal come today that I will give you freedom, for example, we used to have a moron that will hit any wall and the wall go break. And we have been working hitting wall and he came out and hit the wall and the wall passed through. I go thank this your moron and a better one. They will become friends. So anybody that will liberate us is what we want. Even Apostle Johnson Suleiman, God, he want to take power from women to liberate us to God be his more given time. But they do what he want to do. Maybe the powers he's looking for. So that is me for you. Me, I doesn't discriminate. Whatever, even though you be Omila, one day your Omila will be. Do you know right now the Egbe way that the Tiger and Lions we have in Edo State? We need them now. We need the Tiger and the Lion right now. It's really the Tiger and the Lion that can protect intruders. Not Tiger and the Lion that eat his own brothers and sisters. Tiger and Lion that can fight intruders. We need them now. These people should be called upon. They should be harmed. Please protect our territory for us. As army they do. If I don't say right now have the army, why one person right now is their chief commander? It is good. Paul the apostle converted his religiosity. Now he can enter Christianity. Paul the apostle can just travel from here. He was going to Damascus to go and burn the church, to go and destroy the church. Now Holy Spirit is arresting. But that same power, that's why Paul the apostle, he wrote most of the verses in the Bible. If Paul the apostle see where supposed to do, see crowd. Kai, that this kind of thing before, Nana can be they do for here. He go still laugh with the but when I did inside word that this guy just be so, he go just swim me and destroy them. That was why if you read Ephesians chapter 4 verse 1, he said, I Paul the apostle, the prisoner of the Lord, beseech you, brethren, that you walk in the vocation wherein you are called. Paul the apostle were not in prison, but there were restrictions in what he used to do. That's why a lot of people will say those days when I was growing up, our papa those days, oh well, no, I don't have amen. I have a friend. His papa called us one day. He said there was a day where they were in Upasia. He said he was trying to advise me and his son waiting on the castle. He said one day, nice spirit pursued them. And they can't do this. He tried to tell us, Mona, you send one. My late father, blessed memory, he's the one that said, oh, when Megan had the boo, and when you get one cloud, they call it boo. He said, no time where you take ban, where no see so that carry and put. That to say, whatever thing you are doing right now, my son, be very, very careful. It was an advert. That was a parable. Now, if you reason it to our day-to-day life, my dear, no hurry in life. No time where you want to drive motor. You want to drive this motor, you want to drive next motor, my dear, you must drive on. Now, what you want marry, don't be in hurry, my dear. Don't be too be in hurry. No time where you want to marry, where you don't see wife marry, for example. Those are the meaning. But today, a lot of us are in hurry. We want to drive limousine that our friends are driving. And not knowing that your friend's life is different from your own. That's why right now, even in this activism, when a lot of people were making their name, I'm not jealous of them. I have Sowore blowing in. But Sowore is so pompous that he don't even care to know whether anybody is supporting him. Could you know, inside last month here, I was surprised. Nnamdi Kanu by himself caught my video, put for a page. These are people I respect so much. I'm telling you for the first time, Nnamdi Kanu caught my video. Because he saw what I said there. Which I would not be said it too long. I said whether they know whether US don't get base for Nigeria, may they not venture ESN, may they not touch them. But how many people have the mind to say that? He caught, and that's recognition. Tomorrow I have strength to do more. It's an appreciation to me. I have not spoken to any of them, both Akman, both any of them. But I love their struggle. A struggle for a better society. A struggle to limit this massacre. A struggle to limit this genocide. A struggle of this underestimation. A struggle of this ethnic cleansing. A struggle of this bad government. I love it. And I enjoy it. He put on there. When they arrest Sowore, it was this river I came to come and pray. Something happened in Aso Rock. He never one day, because he became too blind. What I do for people, you guys cannot do it for. I fight for anybody. Okay, they feed me and I play, they look for. No, I'm not angry with him. I'm just trying to use it to teach here how a lot of people are different. Read the book of Luke chapter 17. Jesus Christ said, was it not 10 that were cleansed? Where are the remaining 9? Only one came to come and say, God, I thank you. That thank you where he talk, he make him to have divine encounter and divine healing from God, from Jesus. So I appreciate. The reason why I appreciate you at times, you don't know. Thank you for sharing my video. When the blessings come, it will come to you. Even though you don't even get chance, watch. This boy, they appreciate it. You must see share. That share when you share, so go still bring about 10 people. Maybe beside that 10 people, another one go see share. Then when another one share, 450 share. That is it. But a lot of people, they form. Now me, they do the highest, the most difficult activities. Now me, they do one. I know they do copy and paste. I know they do copy and paste. I know that they pick topic from here. Me, I can't talk. I've taught so many areas today. Spiritually is there. So all these are things. It's good to be appreciative. Don't be feeling purpose. Don't be feeling purpose. Some people they form. No, carry everybody along. Nobody even need your play. But one good turn deserve another. There was I think inside 2018, there was a video I did. That video was almost about 250,000. Now Igbo people carry on. It was reposted, and somebody I never expected sent it to me. Then I remember that I've spent a long time in this struggle. Consecutively say one thing. There you have some beneath to do with fighting Nnamdi Kanu. Why are you fighting the man? Let everyone assume say you have done what is bad. Look at area where it's good. Now God look. They say David is a man after my own heart. At times God does not look at your weakness. He look at your strength. This Suleiman you are saying right now, if you be say later, I get what God want use them for. Suleiman need to repent again. There are lots of repentance Suleiman say need to do. In his heart, he know. One, all those fake miracles where they have, up to Pastor Chris, up to your BB pastor. They need repentance the same way you need it. So let nobody bamboozle you. Suleiman need repentance. He know I know him. We serve the same God, but at times there is a little contradiction. He go astray somehow. Stop acting those fake miracles and fake prophecy you are giving. Stop it. I pronounce a lot of things here that later come to pass. When Obaseki, I told you don't write Ogbane. Did I say God said to me? No. It was a conviction that we have done enough. Let's faith it right now. Let's fake it until we can faith it. There is a word, listen very to me attentively. There's a word that says, let's fake it until we can faith it. Now, how were we faithing how to drive car when we're coming? Now, select me use for school. And not be KG set. So you quit out for your head. We kill a Cuomo. Will dot come on, you reach out your pag will latches you, you know that they'll gather beat you. Mawa set in one kayak be Cuomo those years. So this baby don't tell where would they come. Me not be KG. Now we isolate. We were close from school that time. When they use select, they drive motor. We were faking it today. We cannot drive a car. These are lives. But a lot of people now people that were really pampered, the people that were born in the 80s, now then they suffer for Europe today. Now then women they throw away things for Alakaye because they don't know how to hustle. They are not strong. Call them right now, my guy will go do one lebuke tomorrow. He go say, my brother, I'm not fit. Are you there have a friend, a wayward friend that will later be spotted? Only one day when he go work, he can't go save the picture, he go Cofrado. I call him one day, follow me to work. The next day more go again. He says son 2 months. A boy, thank God he was deported, and a bad egg. He was later deported. For those of you that do know me very well, you know him. I will not mention his name here. This same laziness, I sent a power bag for him that worth about 350,000 then. Okay, you sell him. You can take 200, bring 150 to me. May I foresee do another one. Go again. That was 2013 to 215. Could you not up to now? I don't see him again. Carry back, carry wrong. Later, another one will say they don't see you happen. Because this laziness has been there. Now so they can't finger. A man, you will say son 2 months. And me go market, you go shop for my head. One day I warn him, don't be trying this thing again. I will not go to supermarket and I chop him. I don't like it. If you need anything, tell me. That's why if I follow person to go to supermarket, I know they shop, they put one cream, join with you one buy. I don't need them because they convenience me. I don't know how much you get. This is the life he was living. But up till now, I don't know how he work out. He went away with a power back of about 350,000. That is, I just put 350,000. Say now that one it won't be like that. You know, guy want cheap because that bag was powerful. Up till now, I don't see him again. I will not talk the tribe because I'm not tribalistic. I will not say the tribe. I'm not upon all say I suppose label that tribe to say Yanamata. But I will not talk the tribe. It's just being a bad egg. So there are people like that. Why there are people who is working hand in hand to make sure you have good life. We have them everywhere. So please, not be all program people sit down they watch. Not be you go they watch. Because this if it give you problem tomorrow. Every one of us have area of shortcomings. If everybody can be like me, get so many things today, don't come on for media. Carrying one information and so this or for nowhere. I'm not a dig what can say now. Who were real lower. We'll be having better things in society. Nobody talked about it. Look at killing of Fulani Herdsmen. This is our security network that we had in Edo State. They have been complaining of vehicle. I don't know what the governmental bodies are doing. SLG and the rest of them should donate money and give them vehicle. Not only what you got to put in your pocket, because the last day God is going to ask you guys, maybe then you will be told to pay 1 billion. We should be able to know where these are responsibility. We shouldn't shy away from it. But a lot of people do the wrong. Any person that die in the state should be the 100% concern of the government, because that's what we voted you for. Normally, Rodo, you the road from Ugbine, you want to go Cotonou. Then people that to pass the road, their life is not protected. We should invest more on security. Let's look for this Taga and Lion for them to come and protect their city, not only in the election. They'll be in power. Let some certain part will be there's something we wanted to do this road, but this road we are going to be extending it till next year. We want to protect our people. Fulani are everywhere. Confirm. Don't say bushes right now. Fulani men put the Fulani. Okay, what about when they start killing right now? What about when they start killing? What are the Enegis doing? Is it not time for them to sit down? All they do right now is to drag land. And land where you drag. You don't know whether they'll come kill you tomorrow. We lay emphasis on things that are not that relevant, things that are not too important. Our life is precious than a land. Our life is precious than giant. Our life is precious than anything you can talk about. People can no longer live score years in Nigeria. The only place, the where you can stay right now and die at any time, no miracle can stop you is Nigeria. Ali, before person died for Jan here, you are not expecting bullet. But Nigeria be expecting bullet. Look at what happened in Imo State. Just shoot person, shoot them. Carry a motor car, carry enter city. I mean, I'm not getting it clear. Imo State governor, I don't know what is their problem. Wetin amount car they do for streets. This is how they taught them they should rule their people. Because they have collected money. Reduce your population. Look how much we are going to pay you. Forgetting you are leaving family behind. You think all this thing you guys are doing, people are keeping the record. When you go down or you don't resign now, you deal with no expense. Now the one small boy you're in bottle for your head. Because you are frustrating a lot of lives. It's not all about your children. Do school to the extent that the kind of school where your children see they go. Let other people also enjoy the same thing. The dividend of democracy is defeated. Who are bewitched Nigerian leaders? Why are we not living accordingly? But you see youth are supporting the same thing. Later you come Jan. Okay, come Jan now what you want to do? Come to Jan, what you want to do? There's no more job here everywhere. You see love right now. They lock us up again. Only the strong survive. If you don't have grace, you'll be disgraced. Go see some people now. You just see for I say read the suffer. Why there are still people that are still bouncing in the Lord? Why? Because the mind that they have. I want to see this earth become a transform whatever. That's why whatever thing I can do, trying to do research to see how it works. Now what you will tell God now go to for so now my own how I want make this world behind me the thought so I don't want make Joe Biden rule this world. So I don't need them. So if you need them, may it get to you in a hurry. You should have what you say. So for those of you who are repeatedly start supporting and even praying now, may God not let what you is saying come to pass. May your children become the other side of life that will bring disgrace to you tomorrow. Okay, after this suffering right now, you suffer what 24 hours of the day. At the brim of you living a life, a fulfilled life, then you can't go get disgrace. You will not be happy about it. Please, I come in peace. Let us be very, very careful over what we support. It's not all that are glitter are gold. It's not everything you support. Before you start supporting anything, what advantage is this thing to other people? If you're eating meat will cause your brother to die, stop eating that meat. If what I'm doing right now is not making our society to be okay, I go stop am. If the kind of progress you are doing is causing people to trauma, stop it. Every one of us have come short to the glory of God by one way or the other. Who is me to say Suleiman is a devil? No, I will not say that. Who is me to start carrying rumor about this very person? No, I will not say that. Every one of us have something we might have done somehow someday that is not pleasant to the society. That's why Jesus Christ told them. He said, any of you that have not sinned, in that book of John chapter 8, be the first to cast up the stone. But Christians today, they don't read that. That's to say, if you are castigating people, mind the way you castigate people. If you are carrying any rumor, mind the way you carry it. Carry the one that is more special right now. Tag it to your page. Stop this killing. President, stop this killing. But in all these incompetency of our federal government, I have not seen any Edo man who say Buhari is a bastard. I have not seen any Edo man in their platform say Buhari is a shameless leader. I have not seen it. They don't do it. But they have the right to insult other people. That is to say, you are not truthful enough. If you are truthful enough, you should be swearing for your leader the way I swear for them. You are not truthful enough. You are still trying to play picky game. That's so that tomorrow, may them for still coming me, I can't campaign for them. My dear, you cannot deceive God though. If God made you today, my dear, you go crumble. There is God, the more they fear God. The reason why I don't join any evil thing is that I respect God. If God say yes, nobody can say no. Please, let's try as much as we can. Let's speak truth to power. The continent of Africa have nothing to write home about. The only continent in the world that doesn't value human life. None. Other countries have political problems, not be only Nigeria, but our own become a different thing entirely. Only in Nigeria still we have professor, we have graduate, we have everything, we have a lieutenant colonel, we have son, we have all. Yet our government is not going forward. Audio whatever, now they say they address Now they address us. They'll go make and come out. But as we are concentrating on other people's problem, we have a pressing need. That's why I don't talking about myself where I'm from. That's why my honest prayer is that for God to give Obaseki the grace to lead. He take the grace of God to lead. Please, Obaseki, concentrate on lives. That was one of the first aims. Lives and properties. Don't be trying to bring Caterpillar to road when they are killing people in Urezen. They are killing people in Igobazua. On the last day of Obaseki, every blood that is splitted in a door because of your incompetency, God is going to ask it from you. So that's why you have to put more effort. Look for more people that will protect your people. Empower these all these volunteers. Train them. Get army from barracks. Train them how to handle better ammunition. Because wars a battle before Edo State. Nigerian police will not fight that war. We have to fight it for ourselves. Other neighboring people that are interested, the Tiger and the Lion, group all of them. Please, I want this thing to go forward. Finance them. I heard yesterday that, I know that maybe that one was hijacked anyway. Some people are trying to go to the market and start obtaining money, the joint security network. When I was told, because I was only having time yesterday to go to what's happening in Edo, I focused my attention on what's happening in the world, trying to say, okay, now, what's happening and a lot of other. I was called by a very prominent person and tell me that, look at what's happening, that one of our brothers did a video, Comrade Lokerugbe, God bless you for your struggle, that the joint security network, some of them, they went inside the market allegedly, that they started collect money from people, that they are security, they are the volunteers that are doing security in Edo State, you know. Why is people trying to hijack it? Because these same people have come out several times. The main people have come out several times that even though on bicycle, it should be a shame on the executive body of Edo State that the people that volunteer to secure the land, they are begging arms to eat, or they are even coming out on media. This thing should be done voluntarily. Okay, I'm an association, we give you guys 50,000. Does he share and reach out? Okay, one association will also help us to do. Not they traveling to protect your people. Not they traveling to protect your people. Obaseki matter, but the people walking around Obaseki who not be fool, who not the reason. So now suppose help this man. Bring this matter to his table, sir. How can we get funds to buy like 4 Toyota Ayas for these people to encourage them? Order for more ammunition. Look for more lieutenant colonel in Edo there that will train these people against any intruder. If our police fuck up, so that we will not say we Edo. As you are doing it, you are protecting your people, and God will be blessing you the more. There's one thing ruling the state, another thing what do you have to remember for? Oh, don't you think people are keeping record of the people that are dying because of incompetency of the society we are living? There should be executive order. Any of these should I see you kill. Joe Biden dey sign executive order for America. Where we are sign executive order Obaseki. Like one of my mother will always say, where that trap catch you, he not catch you, he go see race with small. At least to show sign and say, I be one catch. At least all those things should be put in place. Let not only take everything as a joke. If I talk now, people that would have transferred, it's not only about being government, not only about money. Open up your brain, bring out the best idea. Put it on the table. If they take, they take. If they don't see take, God will bear you witness. That's where anywhere I belong to, I must argue there. I must live in my word there. But at the end of the day, my word will come speak. When we have, I told them when we had Zoom meeting before, it's not yet time for us to fold our hand. We still have more war, and the real war will come. The real war will come. Right now, everybody a little bit relief, but people are still trying to make sure they spoil the government of the day. Down, Donald Trump. George Bush go war, Bill Clinton go war, Obama go war. Only person will never go war and I be Donald Trump. Do you know how many money they spend in leading troops to war? Now this is Donald Trump, they retrieve people, they back to America. So the way we are doing it, troops want the war not this place. Let's reduce this very thing. He reduced the one in Germany, he reduced most countries reduce them. We got the tense everything war in the Middle East. What the Middle East again? Have you seen anybody fighting? Who make the peace? It was this Donald Trump. Now they spoil it. He not go war. But I saw Hillary Clinton one day say, because he killed Kazani Soleimani, you are leading us to war. The Iranian, they know say Kazani Soleimani was a different person entirely. He was trying to form another thing. That was how they leave Osama bin Laden. We can't go Bob Water Center. If something they grow, they come for ground. Quick cut and come on. It's far better than leaving me come grow. Donald Trump never go anywhere. He have been signing all he signed is peace deal. But now una dey insult. Suleiman ona ma ya mukpo efie because o wa dan yo dan re. No, you shall have what to say. Why if you insult who pass you, the normal okay, who will be on? Donald Trump senior, you and Donald Trump not be mates. Not they say not be Christian. You are very wrong. You not Christian. If not be God say I to read Bible, yeah, Mukoe Suleiman, you go wrong. But may God have mercy on you and this spirit of lala with the they put for your body, I cast it. You need to come down and pray for you. So that you not be lying upon again. It's too much. Yeah? It's too much. Now, second John came on go back. Imagine somebody coming out giving evidence. Say, but I'm not believing all those are just false theory. I'm not interested in it. But let's try and, respect one another. Let's try and find out what people are doing to help our society. It's not only about castigating all the time. So I remain your beloved brother, Comrade Newton, Igbenegun, the Bishop of Activism, the hero for democracy and ambassador for good governance. So do have a nice day. Please, if you lay your hand on this video, share it. For us to have a better society, our hands need to be on desk. If we must have to be at the dining of the human civilization, we have to be there, not as the food to be eaten, not as a waiter, but as a diner. So please, let's put in our best to see how we have a better society. If you fold your hands, me fold my hands, it will not work. Nobody that was created that grew from heaven to give us freedom. Make yourself available and God will make you able in the mighty name of Jesus. Do have a nice day. See you some other time. God bless you. Ciao.
Abeg, help us share this video and let us know what you think for comment section. Now we don't hear everything wey Comrade Newton don talk to this for this video. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for dey current with all the things wey dey happen for Nigeria. So make I leave you with this video, make you help us share am. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.